guys, this is the son from the mother and son co with my sister here. So this is an international collaboration. Yeah, collab. And I'll be looking down here a lot because I have my sister here on my laptop.
Yeah, and I have a brother.
And she'll also be looking down because she has me on FaceTime on her phone.
Yeah.
So basically this video, do you want to tell what this video is about?
So it's a 2 truths and a lie essentially, and we are going to do 5 rounds of each. So he'll tell me two truths and 1 lie for him, and I'll do the same, and then we just have to guess the lie.
चलो फिर ठीक है, I'll start, ठीक है?
You're going first?
हाँ, I'll go first. So I have them written on my phone, and my sister has written them on.
So we know
notepad.
there's a generation gap.
Yeah, the generation gap. I always type anything on my phone. So okay, without wasting any time. So the first is I've used being a prefect as an excuse to bunk classes in school.
Okay.
Okay. Next is I've bullied. That means like oppressed a few juniors when I was a prefect.
No, I don't think so.
And then the last is I used to eat a lot of samosa, kachori and drink bantas during my 11th and 12th.
I think the oppressed one is wrong.
Are you sure?
Yeah, because everybody bunks, and he did used to drink so many banta. He was a fan.
Okay, so the bullied one is your final. That's the lie.
Yes.
That's true.
See?
I've never bullied anyone. I rarely talk to any juniors. I never talk to any juniors or seniors.
They're beneath me, is it?
No, I just never talk to anyone other than my own batchmates.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I feel like we know each other, so I feel like we'll be good at this. Okay, my turn.
Your turn.
I've taken from every area of my life, I feel. Okay, so
Okay.
first one, I competed to be a head girl. I gave interview to the principal for it, and I gave a GK exam for it.
You never actually gave a private interview to the principal.
That's correct. Wow, I thought that was
I
hard.
know because I also ran for head boy. So there was the GK exam. I think so at my time or not.
You gave a
But
GK exam
there's
also?
there's no personal interview with the principal.
Our school was extra during this time. We had a change of principals, so becoming a head girl, head boy was a whole procedure.
Okay, so that's 1-1 to both of us. I have counters here or here. I don't know where I will put them. But okay, next is I've had friend with benefits in past.
No, that's a lie. Without hearing the entire question.
I've been rejected by every girl I've ever asked to, as in relationship wise.
Oh, that's also a lie, I'm sure. Is that hard?
And the last one is I was slapped by a teacher for no reason.
I have to take out the truth or the lie in this.
You have to take out the lie.
I don't think you will be rejected. This is so difficult. I think it's the first one. I hope it's the first one. I hope it's not the first one. Let's see. I don't know. I say the first one.
So you're saying that the friends with benefits is the lie?
Yes.
That's true. I've never had friends with benefits.
But you've been rejected?
Yeah, by every girl.
What? That is so weird, and girls are like, oh, Bhaskar. Okay, that's odd. And I know, I can see him getting slapped. I can see it.
It'd be like that though. It'd be like that.
Yes. Okay, number 2. I had a MySpace account. I have chatted with strangers on Omegle. Omegle is like this, the website where you just go and you're matched with any other stranger.
That's normal, I guess. We all have done that.
In my time, no, it was normal then also. And then I was friends with a hit Nickelodeon celeb on MySpace. Difficult.
I don't think you were friends with the Nickelodeon star. That's the lie. That one is the lie. You can't be friends with the Nickelodeon one.
Well, I was not friends, but she was added. Like, she requested me to add her, but we were not friends. So, Janet McCurdy, you can just put her picture on the screen. From Nickelodeon, the one with iCarly, the blonde. She used to request people to listen to her music and all back then. So I did chat with her in the comments or or we.
No, that does not count as being friends. So that's the line, right? Yeah, so it's 2-1. Waha, boo, bas, ho gaya. A teacher from my school had a problem with my haircut and used to bug me every day to get it cut or shorter.
That's true. And that teacher, I think is the same one who had a boycott of
No,
sorts.
that was a different.
Oh, she had a problem with my hair and I was like jealous or what?
Next is, people from my school thought I was an egoistic person. Is that the right word? Egoistic?
Yeah, but I still think that is true, so.
Okay, and the last one is, I was in a relationship with a girl for a week when I was in school.
This can be true. I think the egoistic one is maybe false because he was very popular in school and all that. So maybe the egoistic is false.
Okay, that's wrong.
What? So which of the week relationship for a week is wrong?
I was never in a relationship.
Hopeless!
Yeah, people have said to me that they thought I was an egoistic person. After school when I've talked to them, people were like, yeah, मुझे लगता था तेरे में बहुत ego होगी, but I guess उन्होंने बाद में बात की.
One miss, but I really think he's still egoistic, but okay. I'm joking. Okay, number 3. I have had 3 popular YouTube channels. None of my YouTube channels have had my name, like in the past, because now one says Bhairavi, but I'm speaking about the past. So none of my YouTube channels have had my name, and people have requested me to make belly button videos. I'm good.
You've never had a channel in past where you had your name on it. I think that's false. No, that's true. So the first one is false because people have asked you to make belly button videos.
Yeah, I can watch the vlog. So, okay, this one is partially true, partially false because I have had 3 YouTube channels, but the first one was not popular.
But, so is there no lie?
Oh,
I'm confused.
The second option was supposed to be. Okay, I'll give it to you because you said, because my first one is half partially true, but it's false. My first one was never popular. I did used to make video compilations of top beauty gurus, but
we all have done that, I guess, in some, yeah. I've laughed on my teacher in front of her face, like burst out of laughter, and I was laughing on her only, and she knew it. Clear?
And then you think why people think he had ego problems.
I've argued to my teacher to such an extent when and where every student from my class suggested me to apologize to her.
I don't think so.
And I was very good in home science practicals.
That's true. I think the second one is false. You never argued with a teacher. Because he hates arguing. He would never argue. He would just be like, okay, whatever. He would shut you out. He hates arguing.
Well, this was a trick round because everything is true. There is no false one.
What? Whom did you argue with?
My Hindi teacher. क्या नाम था? 11th-12th में था. It was like she scolded me for nothing, and I was irritated by something, so I just kept on going, and I think the argument went for like 5 to 10 minutes, and the whole class was like, भास्कर क्या कर रहा है तू, ऐसा नहीं है भाई, तू क्यों बोले जा रहा है? But I later, after the period ended, I went to her room and then I personally apologized to her.
That's sweet. That's how you know that it's a good kid. Otherwise,
yeah, because after that even I realized like, what the hell did I just do?
I'm not good at. I don't know what he's done in school. Oh my god.
Because that was 11-12, na, and you were not there when I was in 11-12.
Okay, number 4 for me. I can play the guitar. I can play tabla. I can play synthesizer. Tabla, guitar, synthesizer.
You can't play tabla because playing a tabla is very hard because I've tried it.
Oh, that's true. I've tried it. I've semi-tried it. I learned what is chati and that's all.
Yeah, it's very hard. You have to do like with the fingers.
Okay. Why did you laugh?
Because I know you could have learned the guitar because it was in fashion back in the time, right?
I played all the Himesh Reshammiya songs.
I heard that sucks. You're going to lose some subscribers for that. But I think tabla is very hard, and I don't think we had tablas in school. But learning a tabla is very hard. And she used to play synthesizer or synth, whatever it is, on a very massive scale in school orchestras. These are the last ones. I haven't received one of my gold medals till date, like my athletic gold medals. Okay. I was in the top 50 global rankings in FIFA, which means that I've played so well that I've won many games, that I've ranked in the top 50 globally, okay?
Okay, feel like that could be true.
And I shy away from trying new stuff. Come on.
He doesn't shy away from trying new stuff, he doesn't want to. So I'll say, I feel like the first one is true, but it can't be. No, I feel like the first one is true. The second 50, top 50, if something happens, I feel like he's told me that, but maybe I'm just compiling all the gaming things he keeps telling me. What was the last one?
I shy away from trying new stuff.
You know what? No, I think that's lie, because it's not that he shies away. He does try new stuff, but it has to be at his condition. So I think the last one is false.
That's wrong. I've never been in the global top 50 rankings. I've been like in the top something, but I can't remember it, but never in top 50 global ranking.
I overestimated you.
Yeah.
But you're not
I'm
shy
not that
away.
good.
You're not
I know
shy
I'm good, but
away.
I'm
You
not
don't
that
want to
good.
try new things.
I try a lot of. This is new. I've tried this new thing.
Bring him to Singapore, make me take him somewhere out. You see him.
But that's different. But still I try new things. Even you know it.
Okay, fine. Last one.
Yeah.
My first celeb crush was Miley Cyrus, Shah Rukh, or Govinda.
Wait, this is a quiz.
मतलब? Oh हाँ. हाँ तो two truths and a lie ना? हाँ, मेरा first.
So you're asking who was your first crush out of these three, है ना?
Yeah, which is
So
what's
she
the
just
lie?
changed the game. That was a whole different video.
What's the lie? One of my first celeb crushes.
हाँ.
Which one is a lie?
हाँ. Okay. So हाँ. Go through them again. Miley Cyrus, Govinda, and
Shah Rukh.
Acha, Shah Rukh. I thought she said Chatu. I don't know who that is. Yeah, it sounded like that from my FaceTime.
No. Okay, so basically two of these were one of the first celeb crushes.
Ah, I know. Govinda has been like for a long time, है ना? He was the oldest one if I remember, and then Shah Rukh came, and then Miley Cyrus came. So Miley cannot be the first one. Shah Rukh was actually after Govinda, and then we actually we used to binge watch a lot of Govinda movies. So I think your first celebrity crush was Govinda.
So that's a lie.
Shah Rukh.
It's Shah Rukh and Miley. Govinda is the lie. Out of the three, two truths and a lie. So Govinda is the lie. Because they are all my favorites. But when Govinda was a hit, I was a child. So I didn't know what crushes are. So I just really like his movies. Exactly. My crush, the feelings of crush I have had for Shah Rukh, and from Miley I've had that crush like obsession. But Govinda was not my crush. I do realize I changed the game a lot for two questions.
Yeah, she changed the whole game. That was the whole another video.
Shit. But hey, two truths and a lie was still there. Shah Rukh and Miley.
Kind of. Well, that was the video. Two truths, one lie. I hope you guys enjoyed, and me and my sister are actually thinking of doing more of these digital collaborations.
This was fun actually and very easy comparatively.
This is actually very easy. वो तो मेरे को पता चलेगा जब मेरे को edit करनी पड़ेगी. But yeah, because she'll be sending video over from Singapore to India.
And I'll be sitting there like कब edit हो रहा है.
But still, I think it'll be pretty easy, and you guys enjoy when me and my sister collaborate. So yeah, and this was actually a fun video. I enjoyed making it.
Me too, and it was comparatively easy.
Yeah, so put it in the comment section down below if you have any other video ideas or want me and my sister to collaborate more. Yeah, and her link to the channel will be at the top of the description.
I thought you were thinking like her link. Should I put her link?
No, it'll be at the top of the description, and I hope you guys really enjoyed. Do you want to say anything before we end the video?
Like, share and subscribe. Make sure to hit the bell icon, and please do give your recommendations below. We have done other collaborations as well, which I'm sure he'll put on the screen so you can watch them. They're fun videos, and we'll see you in the next video, I guess. Yes?
Yeah.